In less than a year ago, I redid my entire room. For this video, I'm gonna be redoing my room again. I have a bunch of new decoration that I want to put up, so I hope you guys enjoy watching the process of my room makeover. Today is the first process of redoing my room. It won't look crazy different, but I definitely want to change up a lot of the decor. Just note that I've been out of town, my birthday passed, and it's been a little bit messy in my room. So I'm just showing you guys that this is the before. This is what my table is looking like. Super messy. I came from a trip and the mess. The first things I'm actually gonna do is paint. I have had these dishes from Target. They were literally $1 like a couple months ago, and I've been saving them for this video specifically. So I bought a heart one, and then I have the flower shaped one. I do have this dish, but it's just not my favorite. I'm kind of getting over it. I'm also gonna paint some vases because it's just not my favorite color anymore. I did this myself a couple months ago, and I think I'm just gonna change it to like a full-on different color. All my art supplies here, all my paint, and we're gonna get started. This pot, I was thinking of just painting over it, but I was like, that's kind of stupid. So I remember buying one of those plant pots that are like super inexpensive, and I can't figure out where I put it, and I don't really want to go to the store and buy one. For now, I'm just gonna be painting this vase. I'm actually gonna be painting this. It's so random. I got it from Walmart, and I didn't like how the color is black. I really wanted to use it for this mirror that I got from Target. It's just a circle mirror, and I thought it would be perfect to put right here instead of this basket. I kind of just want to keep this color but make it brighter. I know there's like a mixture you can use for like the terracotta kind of vases, and you like mix it with baking powder or baking soda. I'm kind of lazy, so I'm gonna just try to do it my way, the lazy way. If you can hear Olivia Rodrigo, don't even worry about it. I mean, good, you're welcome. Okay, so it might not look like there's a difference, but it's a very big difference. I don't know if I'll be able to get a nice even coat with this. So this is my inspiration for the walls in my room. I have this entire Pinterest board of everything dedicated to the things that I want to hang up on my wall. I definitely think I'm going to be getting rid of the frames. I'm actually going to be putting something else there, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So I got an LED neon light. They have all of these, but I chose the cloud one, and it's pink. I'm thinking instead of the frames, I'm actually going to be putting the cloud over my bed. Sadly, I will be taking down my YouTube plaque. I just feel like it really just takes out like the brightness. I wish it was a different color, honestly. I'm not ungrateful or anything. I obviously really love it, and I'm super grateful. I've had it for years up there, so I think it's time to take it down, at least not forever. For the most part, I am keeping all the furniture because obviously there's nothing wrong with it, so I'm gonna keep it. It is the next day. I literally had to run to the store because we were out of ink for my printer, but I completed everything. I printed everything. I'm so excited to cut everything. I literally just used normal paper. A lot of the pictures I did find on Pinterest, so if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, follow me. I also bought some Scotch removable poster tape. I'm pretty sure this is for like when you want to hang pictures on your wall, so it's double-sided. Just finished cutting everything out. It's super cute. I love all of the colors and everything. now it's time to figure out like where everything is gonna go, because again, I am planning to put some pictures up here, and then I'm thinking since that's gonna be down, I think I'm gonna keep like 1 or 2 of the pictures that I've already have up there, and then above the clothing rack are gonna be probably like 4 or 5 pictures. I think I also forgot to mention that I bought one as well because I can't find it, you guys. My mom can't find it. It has disappeared officially. I just finished. I'm going to let it dry. It's literally just pink. Okay, right now I think I'm just going to try to hang up the neon sign. I found some batteries. Oh, okay. Oh, that's so cute. It's later in the nighttime now. Hey Google, turn off my light.
Sure, turning light off.
So this is what my lamp looks like. I'm gonna change it for my new one. I can't wait to show you guys. It was literally back ordered for so long. I got it off of Urban Outfitters. I think it's the perfect size for the nightstand. I feel like this lamp, it's literally like as tall as my bed frame. I just don't think it's a perfect size for that nightstand. So I got this one. I really love the style of the mushroom lamps, but they are so expensive. So Urban Outfitters actually had something a little bit similar, and it is this purple lamp. It doesn't come with like a light bulb or anything, which is fine because I have like my smart light bulb. I also feel like I should probably turn it off so I don't get electrocuted. This is she. Look how tall it is. I'm thankful for my mom for giving it to me because I used it for quite a while. It's actually originally from IKEA. It's just my mom thrifted it, which is super cool. This looks creepy, straight up. Straight up. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny it is. That's actually so much light. It feels like so much more open now because there isn't like a huge lamp right here. I actually got the collapsible hay storage bins. This one is in light pink, so basically you can collapse it. All 4 sides will literally just collapse like that. Like if you don't need it anymore, just it's all good, you know? But I have a lot of things that I'd want to store in these. I actually have 2. I was debating on whether I'd get 2 different colors or just the same color, and I kind of wish I did get like a light green. For the top, I think I'm going to be putting like a bunch of perfumes up there. I just put the mirror up. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, it is pretty cute in this area. I got this package from Pixie. It's such cute packaging, you guys. I just put it right here because I thought it was cute. It is the next night. I'm trying to still hang up the posters. I added a little bit more. I have like my little ladder, but I put this on the side, and then I have my little tray, and then I have all of my prints that I'm trying to arrange here. I do have another new package, and I got this from Etsy a couple months ago. A lot of the stuff that I'm unboxing is from a couple months ago. It's from the cute Etsy shop called Stargirl Space. I bought this for this candle here. So it's this really adorable handmade candle holder. It's a dual candle holder, but I should have read the reviews because one of them said that it didn't fit like a normal candle. So I was hoping that I could put one of these in here, but it's unfortunately way too big. So right now I'm actually just going to use it as decoration. It's super cute, and I feel like it'd go really well in that area. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the candles that I put in hot water. Oh my god. I broke the freaking candle. So my mom actually got me some candle holders. It's so freaking cute. It's so cute. I love how it's not the same height. So now that we are finished with everything, this is my room tour. I'm not gonna go in detail with every single thing, but if you guys do want to see that, I have a separate room tour. I'll link that down below where I seriously go in detail about every little thing about my room. So this area right here is not really exciting. Honestly, it's kind of messy. It's one of the messy parts of my room. This is the door that you walk into, and I just have some clothes. I have some bags here, some tote bags. And then in this area right here are stuff that I actually need. So I keep it here. I just don't really know how else to store it. I have a bunch of lights here, my ring light, tripods. I have my exercise mat. I have some weights and like some exercise resistance bands. And then you turn, and then this is my room. So we're gonna start with the dresser here. This is my chest. It's just a white chest from IKEA. So this is what you guys saw that I hung up. I honestly love it. I feel like it's not too much. It's not too many pictures. It's just perfect for this area. I feel like the candles really help make it look more Pinteresty and Pinterest inspired. So I really love that. You guys saw me DIY this. It's a lot brighter now. I changed the flowers. They used to be the bunny tails, but now they're these flowers that I literally got from like the dollar store. They were only $1 and they're so pretty. I have some books here. I have a picture of me when I was a baby. I always keep it here. And then the candles that you guys saw, my mom lent these to me. These are her single candle holders. And then I don't know how I feel about this green one because it looks rough, but I like the colors, so I just kept it there. I have my Google Home right there. I have the dish tray that I painted, and that's what it looks like. And then I just keep just a bunch of jewelry. And then next, as you guys saw, I have these baskets. I'll link everything down below for you guys so you're able to shop as well. But I just keep my perfume, sunscreen, and some extra tissues. I love that the tissues are blue because it kind of just like matches the whole thing. I feel like tissues aren't aesthetically pleasing, but I literally need them for like doing my makeup or just like random things. So honestly, I feel like it really just goes well together. So that is my chest. Again, I'm not gonna go in so much detail because I've already gone through everything. I have this new area right here with the mirror and like my notebooks and stuff. If you guys remember, I wasn't sure about this area, but I actually really like it now. It honestly is kind of random, but it's totally fine. I think it's super cute because you can see the neon light. The mirror I did get from the dollar section at Target. I got this stand from Walmart. I just painted it as you guys saw. And then this, I decided to just leave it here because I thought the colors were so cute. So shout out to Pixie. I also have some notebooks here and my Apple Watch. And this area here, I don't know if you guys remember the last time I did my room makeover video. I said I was gonna get rid of it, but honestly I have way too much stuff and makeup, so I had to store it somewhere. This is all of my makeup. But I'm so grateful that brands send me things so I can show you guys like if I like them or not. So that was just nails. This is hair. And then this is stuff that I got sent, but I haven't exactly tried out yet. Okay, so the next messy part of my room is this. If you guys didn't know, I am trying to sell my camera and my lens. I'm trying to sell the EOS Rebel T4i. It's a DSLR camera and I'm doing the body and lens. And then I'm selling my Sigma 30mm 1.4. If you guys know anyone who would want to buy it, or if you want to buy it, please let me know because I honestly don't use it and I feel like it could be better used for someone else. I have boxes here from the Rode microphone, my new camera. In that box right there is actually a FabFitFun box. I kept it because I felt like it'd be nice for storage, and there's actually more makeup in there, which is crazy. So turning from this section to this section is actually my vanity / office. In my last room makeover video, you guys asked me about this chair. I actually got this from Marshall's. A lot of you guys in my last room makeover video, again, I'll link that one down below, but with the power of the internet, I did find like a dupe for it. There's a bunch of different colors. It's not the exact material. This one's like suede or velvet, so I'll link that down below, but this is so cute. I love the chair so much. This table is never decorated at its fullest because this is where I keep my laptop and I just like to get my work done and like do my makeup. This table is from IKEA. It has like one drawer. I don't remember the name. Again, I'll link that down below for you guys. So it's a really small table and there's really nothing you can fit for like decoration, so I don't even try. So I have my laptop here with the laptop stand, and then I have my old laptop. All of these cases are actually from Berga. I'll link it down below as well. But yeah, so this is my old laptop. It stopped working. I just need to get it fixed. And then I have my water bottle here and my AirPods case. I have my beauty sponge holder. I'll link that down below as well. It's on my Amazon storefront. This mirror I think I got from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And then up here is the stuff that I showed you guys. If you guys remember, I did paint that pink. I really don't have much up there. Those are just some pink rocks, and then I have a picture of my boyfriend and I have the light that I actually got from Five Below. It is so nice. It was only $5 and it changes to a bunch of different colors. And then I have this that I showed you guys, the cow print candle holder. And this glass right here, my boyfriend actually gave to me for like a little gift, and we got it from Kith LA. I also forgot to mention that I have my TV here. What's really cool about my TV as well is that it does have a backlight, so when you watch movies and stuff, you can change the colors to like pink or purple. This right here is my bed. I have this pink blanket that I got from Five Below. It was actually $10, but it's a weighted blanket and I thought the pink was super cute, so I had to get it. I also have my other blanket. This comforter is actually from either Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I can't really remember. I also have these pillow covers that I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below in my Amazon storefront. So there is the cloud neon sign, also from Amazon. I'll link that down below as well. I have these two vases. They're both from IKEA, as well as the flowers, except these actually, they're from the dollar store. Next is my nightstand. As you guys saw, I have the lamp from Urban Outfitters. I have the candle that I DIY'd, as well as the tray. I kind of just put like my fan remote. I have my prescriptive glasses and just like a cute plant from IKEA. And then I have a coaster here. I actually found this in my last room makeover, and this was only $10 because I thrifted it, and it's originally from IKEA, which is really cool. And then here is my clothing rack, just a bunch of my jackets. The clothing rack is from IKEA, and then a bunch of the pictures that I printed out from Pinterest are also up here. This one has like Gemini, the Kendrick Lamar album, No Justice, No Peace, No Racist, Police. I kept that because that was over here with the frames. Last but not least is actually this rug. I got it from my other room makeover video. I think I got it off of Overstock, if that's what it's called. I can't remember. It holds up really nice, and I think I got it on sale. I also forgot about my plant, my fake plant. So this is from IKEA. I also got this from IKEA. So that is it for my room makeover. I know I didn't really move any furniture and everything kind of still seemed the same. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. If you guys did as well, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. But if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. It means a lot. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.